Hello, I'm Deborah Quilter. Welcome to RSI Help YouTube. I'm going to show you a really wonderful shoulder opener today, and it does two things for you. It helps you passively open the front of your chest, but it also is very relaxing. So it sort of does two wonderful things at once. All you will need for this is a half foam roller, which I have here. It's cut in half. And then you'll need an extra blanket, nice yoga blanket, which we will put over the roller to make it a little bit softer for you. And if your shoulders are very tight, you will also need a pillow or a folded towel or something to prop up your elbow. So pillow is good. And then to top it all off, an eye pillow to relax your eyes. So here we go. So you'll take your other blanket and drape it over the foam roller so that it's not so hard. And then all you do is sit on the very end of the roller. So you place your tailbone at the end of the roller, and then your head is at the top, and you want to even yourself out so that both sides of your body are equally distributed. And then you keep your feet flat on the floor. You could use a yoga strap to hold your knees together if you wanted. Now, when you're holding, it's better not to have your arms up here because that's not really comfortable. Keep them a little bit below your shoulders and just let your chest open out. This is also great for your breathing. If you're tight here, you just take a pillow and prop it up underneath your elbow so that you don't feel any pain or discomfort at all in the chest area. And so you would be here. You could also prop up your hand depending on the length of your pillow. And then finally, you put on your eye pillow, and you put on the eye pillow just the way you would if you were blinking. So to put it on, you start at the eyebrows, even it out, and then come down. And when you're ready to take it off, you take it off the same way. So you would come up like that. And then you just relax and breathe and enjoy. So to come off the half roller, you can slide your pelvis to one side and then roll and come to sitting. And that is relaxing your shoulders open using a half foam roller. Thanks for watching, and please tell your friends about RSI Help YouTube so that they can enjoy it as well.